Hello, I'm Avalon. In today's Photoshop tutorial, I'm showing you how to design this trendy birthday poster design. My reward to you for checking out this video is that you get to download the PSD files and use them for free. Download links provided in the description below. Let's get started. We get started by designing the background. Create a new document with dimensions 1080 by 1080 and 300 as the resolution. Drag in the first background image and resize appropriately. Drag in the second image. For the third image, we drag it in and change its blend mode to color dodge. For the final background image, drag it in and change the blend mode to screen. We then duplicate it to get a more vibrant look.
Don't look behind your back.
Select all layers and group them.
When the world is getting darker, I have a dream.
Let's move to the next step, and that is designing the background text. Select the horizontal type tool.
Join the army of the shadows.
Select this font.
Going harder.
Let's adjust its size to 50 pixels and the color to white.
In this air. Going louder.
By the way, all fonts used are provided in the description below.
In their way.
Type the text you want.
Join the army of the shadows.
On the Properties tab here, let's change the text tracking to 20 and position the text well.
Join the army of the shadows. Shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder.
Now let's change its blend mode to subtract.
In their shade. Going louder.
We then right-click and get to blending options.
Standing in their way.
Let's add an outer glow with a white color and press OK.
Take a moment right here. Feeling like it's out gear. Driving towards
Let's design the second text element. Select the text tool.
the wind in my hair. Going
With the same font, let's adjust the font size to around 68 pixels.
dangerous, but it's so fun. Running, no.
Type the text and position it appropriately.
Running, no. Keep running.
Right-click and get to blending options. Select stroke and change the color to red. Copy my color code.
Running low, keep running. I'm running low, keep running. Like an outlaw.
Adjust the size to around 5 pixels and ensure the position is set to outside. Let's add a little drop shadow. Select the layer and remove the fill color. Let me finalize the design by creating a new layer. select the brush tool and select the foreground color as red. With the brush size at 1000 pixels, click once at the center of the text.
Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do?
Select all the layers and group them together.
It's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud.
We now move on to the next step and add the models into the composition.
So fun. Running,
We select our main model and place him into the composition.
running, no. Keep running.
We then add the remaining models and place them behind our main model.
Running low, keep running. I'm running low, keep running. Like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous.
Hold Ctrl or Command key on the keyboard, then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Add a layer mask. Select the Gradient tool. Select Foreground to Transparent Gradient. Change the foreground color to black. Now click at the bottom edge of the artboard and drag upwards. Repeat a couple of times to get a nice fading effect on our models. We now add a bright orange solid color layer. Copy my color codes. Hold Alt or Option and click between the layers to create a clipping mask. Now select the brush tool and with a soft round brush adjust the size to around 1000 pixels.
It's been weighing on my mind for too long, too long.
Select the layer mask and position the brush between our models, then click once to fully reveal our main model with the solid color partially covering the other models.
And I'm still running from my demons.
On the solid color layer, right-click and select blending options.
All my secrets.
We get over here to the blend if section and change the blend if to red. Now on the underlying layer section, hold Alt or Option and click once to split this layer slider into two and move the other half to the center.
You know what to say every time I start to slip.
Back on the Layers tab, reduce the opacity to around 70%.
And I surrender. I surrender. There's no more falling down.
Now you can see the difference between the before and after.
I surrender.
Let me group the image layers and move on to the final step, that is adding text elements. For this final step, I don't think there is anything fancy that I need to spend much time on showing you how it's done. I'll include a guide with all the text styles and properties to help you design the text. I'll just fast forward and finish the design. All the fonts used will also be provided for download in the description below.
I believe that you can show me all the things that I've been needing. I'm just hoping you give me a reason to go on. And I'm still running from my demons. I'm still hiding. time I start to slip away. And I surrender, I surrender. There's no more falling down, I've hit the ground. So I surrender. And I surrender. There's no more falling down, I've hit the ground.
Somewhere in between what will and has been, it's a constant fight. Oh my,
To finalize the design, I added a camera raw filter to blend all the images together in the composition. Now you can compare the before and after. That is it for this tutorial. If you have any inquiry about the design, leave a comment in the description below. If this video was kinda helpful to you, consider giving it a like and subscribe because I've got some amazing content in store for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.